I took my new MG ZS out for a spin and captured the moment using the Ruko U11MINI 4K drone. Despite its budget-friendly price point, this compact drone truly impressed me. The aerial photos and 4K video footage came out crisp, detailed, and smooth, far exceeding my expectations. It's clear that the Ruko U11MINI delivers excellent value without compromising on image quality, a great tool for both casual users and content creators. Don't let its size fool you. The U11 Mini 4K is built for creators. Equipped with a 1/2-inch 48-megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 8K ultra-high-resolution photos and crisp 4K videos at 30 frames per second, preserving every detail of your journey with cinematic clarity. Whether you're shooting family moments or breathtaking landscapes, this drone delivers results that look straight out of a professional portfolio.